Now we're going to be looking at putting on the centre stand. So just going to get a glove. So we've got the centre stand, the spring and the little bolts and bits and pieces, and the shaft, which you can see I've sandblasted and given a wipe down. So what I'm going to do is cover this in a bit of grease. Bit of lube it up, not too much but just enough. Then goes like that, and the centre stand spring put the spring in there, spring over there. As you can see, I've got a second pair of hands now.
It's greasy!
Yeah, because it's got lube on it. There we go. It needs to be tapped in now with a hammer. Pass me the hammer, do 100 feet please. Always been tapping for me. Done. There you go, one centre stand, standard.
Top.
For the bag. So just a slight smearing of grease on there. Don't need too much because obviously hopefully it's quite sealed and sheltered in there. So we've got the washer and nut and bolt. Nut and bolt goes through there, and the washer goes over there with the split pin. Get the split pin in the hole. Bit loose. I'll take a picture. the microfiche. Okay, it's a bit loose, that washer, so what I'm going to do, see if I can find another washer to go behind it. There we go. That's a bit better. Just a little fibre washer. There we go. That's a lot more secure now. There we go. Jobbed. Okay, next job. Steering head bearings. Got the old races here. Help me put the new ones in. First of all, bit of grease. Around there. That's the top one. Bottom one I should say, is what I'm doing first. Small bearing, seals. There we go. I'm going to put this back in the packet. Keep the oil and grease out of it. So this is the new steering head bearing. Wash my hands off. Dirt and dust. Again, more grease around it. Can't have too much lube in these things. So giving it a tap. And what I'm going to do, get it flush, just get a small piece of soft wood. Perfect. And just get the old one. Once that's below the ridge, that'll be easier. There we go, that's in. Leave on the new one. top and bottom races done on there, and centre stand done. Okay, now we're going to attempt to put the bearing on the bottom of this. Move this across. Get the grease, the bearing. Get it in there, give it a turn around, spread, so you want it all forced into the needles. Like that. These are all ball bearings. Already good. Stick it on a hard surface and it works a lot better. Go almost there. There we go. That's not moving than that much. No loose up and down. That's in there. I just tap this off now.